Open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your Meta Business Suite home view. Click on Content in the left sidebar. This opens your content library showing all published and scheduled posts from Facebook and Instagram in one feed. Find the post you want to edit by scrolling through the feed, or use the filters at the top to narrow by platform, content type, or date range. Each post displays a thumbnail, caption preview, and platform icon. Hover over the post and click the three-dot icon on the right side of the row. A drop-down menu appears with several options. Click Edit Post. Note that depending on your UI version, you may see a Manage Post option first. If so, click that, then select Edit Post from the next menu. The post editor opens, resembling the original Composer. Edit the caption, text, hashtags, location, or tags as needed. If it's a Facebook post, you can also add or remove collaborators. Changes appear in real time as you type. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of the editor. The window closes and you return to the content feed. Your changes go live within moments. Keep in mind a few things. If you edited a Facebook post, an edited label will appear on it showing that it's been modified. Your engagement metrics, likes, comments, shares stay exactly as they were, so editing doesn't reset any of that. On Instagram posts, you can edit the caption, location, and tags, but you cannot change the photo or video once it's published. If you need to swap the media, delete the post, and create a new one instead,